Stormtroopers will be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen them?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy. Oh dear.
This is the speeder we're looking for. Blast them!
Shields are part two. Where are we going? Don't you dare make the jump to light speed. Now what? Pod race. I've always wanted to do this.
Oh my God!
Hang on, everyone! We'll show him. Let's get out of here! Watch out! What transmission?
I am Princess Leia of Alderaan. We've placed a rebel spy vital to the survival of the rebellion into your star speeder. You must see them safely delivered to the coordinates I'm transmitting to your R2 unit. This is our most desperate hour. Help me, Star Tours. You're my only hope.
Her only hope. What do you mean we'll be making a slight detour? Whoa! Shields are bottom! I wasn't programmed for this! Asteroids! About to get along before they rip us apart! They severed the controls! Pull up! R2, pull up! John R2! Are you sure this is the right way? They're not going the wrong way! We are, you nitwit! Look at a platform! Let's land there! Thank the maker!
Welcome, Star Tours. I trust our colleague is safe?
Safe? Have you any idea what we've been through?
We are on your deck, Captain.
Captain, glad to be of service. Well, we're all in the Rebel Alliance now, so may the Force be with us. Oh, and thank you for flying Star Tours.
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.